Hello students, welcome. In this video we will discuss the energy stored in a charge capacitor. So let us understand it. First of all, suppose you are having, we are understanding it roughly. If you are making notes, you can avoid it. Suppose you have a capacitor here of capacitance C. Initially it doesn't have any charge. कोई कैपेसिटर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗਾ ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਅਲੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਚਾਰਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇਸ ਕੈਪੈਸਿਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਬੈਟਰੀ। ਸੋ ਵੈਨ ਵਿਲ ਯੂ ਕਨੈਕਟ this capacitor to the battery, what will happen? It will start charging, right? So as the charge goes increasing, you know, potential is what? Potential directly proportional to charge. So charge is increasing, so potential will also start increasing. So as the potential starts increasing, battery will have to do the work to send the more charge here, right? So means to say battery ਨੂੰ कम करना पै रहा हैगा चार्ज ਨੂੰ स्टोर करने ਲਈ या चार्ज ਨੂੰ सेंड करने ਲਈ, ठीक है। जो भी ये बैटरी चार्ज सेंड कर रही है, दैट बीइंग स्टोर्ड हेयर एज द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। सो वर्क डन बाय द बैटरी और वर्क डन इन चार्जिंग अ कैपेसिटर इज स्टोर्ड इन द कैपेसिटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let a capacitor of capacitance C initially charge on a capacitor Q equal to 0. Now connect the capacitor, parallel plate capacitor you can say. This is a symbol for parallel plate capacitor. Now connect the parallel plate capacitor to the battery. Suppose it charges to a potential V after some time. Means to say what you did, when you connected this capacitor to a battery, it charges to a potential V after some time. Let Q be the charge on the plates of capacitor. Okay, so now but the definition say of capacitance, you know, C equal to what? Q upon B, right? So from here charge is equal to Q is equal to CV. Now suppose battery supplies a small amount of charge, that is dQ. Suppose battery supplies a very small charge dQ to a capacitor at constant potential, that is B, very small, and this is for V. मीनस टू से ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸਮਾਲ ਚਾਰਜ dQ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਸਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ, ਕੌਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ। ਯੂ ਨੋ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਲੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਪੋਰਸ਼ਨਲ ਟੂ ਚਾਰਜ, ਜਦੋਂ ਚਾਰਜ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਵੀ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰੇਗਾ, ਬਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਚਾਰਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਸਮਾਲ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵਟ dQ, ਔਰ ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਰਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਉੱਥੇ, ਕੌਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਰਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਸੋ देयरफॉर work done by the battery चार्ज कौन सेंड कर रहेगा? बैटरी. सो वर्क डन कौन करेगा? बैटरी. सो वर्क डन बाय द बैटरी. सो यू नो द definition of potential is what? Amount of work done per unit charge. You can see the videos in the electric potential. We have already seen. You should also revise that topics. So work done by the battery, from here W equal to VQ. So small work done dW is equal to, potential is constant, that is what V, and charge supplied is what? dQ. So this is the small work done by the battery when you supply a small charge. You have to charge a capacitor fully, means initially the charge was 0 and you have to full charge it, let it charge Q. So work done by the battery to fully charge a capacitor, that is from Q equal to 0 to Q equal to Q. So see, total work done पता करना है. So for that we have to integrate 0 to Q. So 0 to Q dW, that is what? B dQ. Now we have here equation, let it be 1. So from 1 you can find the value of V, that is what? Q upon C. So from equation number 1, V is equal to Q by C. So put it here. So therefore work done is equal to 0 to Q, Q by C and dQ. So C constant, Q remains inside, 0 to Q, Q dQ. Now it is a simple integration, x dx, like that. That is what? X power 2 over 2. Or you can apply the formula xn dx. That is what? Xn plus 1 over n plus 1. So work done 1 upon C, Q power 2 over 2, 0 to Q. So upper limit minus lower limit, 1 upon C, upper limit, that is what? Q square upon 2 minus 0. So what you get? 1 by 2 Q square upon C. So this work done in charging a capacitor is stored as the electric potential energy. So this work done is stored inside the capacitor in the form of electric potential energy. So therefore U, that is energy, electric potential energy, equal to work done, that is 1 by 2 Q square upon C. So this is the energy stored in a charged capacitor, and this energy is in the form of electric potential energy, or you can say simply electric energy. This question is asked many times. In what form the energy is stored in the capacitor? So energy is stored in the capacitor in the form of electric potential energy, right? You can try more formulas from here. If you put the value of Q is what? CV. So put the value of Q here. So what will you get? U equal to 1 by 2 Q square, yani C square V square upon C. C will cancel out half. So what is left? 1 by 2 CB square. Also you can put the value of C. C is what? Q upon B ratio. Therefore U equal to 1 by 2 q square. Value of c is what? Q upon c. C will go up, q will cancel out. So 1 by 2 qc. So in this way we can see that energy stored in a capacitor, and we have seen there are the three forms of this energy. U equal to 1 by 2 q square upon c, 1 by 2 cv square, 1 by 2 qc. So these formulas are important for calculating the numerical problems. So thank you for watching. You can like and share these videos.